Good morning, guys! So, balik na ulit tayo sa bahay. Tapos na yung bakasyon natin sa LA and Rancho Cucamonga. So, balik na ulit tayo sa pagiging housewife. And then, later may work din tayo kasi Monday na today. So, ayan, malinis yan lahat. Pero kailangan na natin yan tupiin. Dahil ang dami na, 2 basket na yan. And then, meron din tayo dito ng mga laundry. So, kailangan labahan lahat ng mga bed sheets and all. And then, yung bahay natin is super makalat din. Dahil, nanood nga kami kahapon ng House of the Dragons. Kaya, hindi kami nakapaglinis. Nag-binge watch kami. I love you guys, dagawa niya. Yan. So, dami nating bilipitin. Now, it's recording. So, yan. Maglalaba muna tayo dito sa garage. And, Chloe is our videographer. Let's go. You gonna wear shoes?
No.
Okay. Go.
The guys, we totally have no shoes.
You got no shoes?
Yeah.
Let's put it here. Yan. So, maglaba muna tayo. Okay.
Mom, the bike is moving.
Oh, Chloe, there's a toy here. You need to get it.
Where?
Here, oh. This one. Get it.
No, you get it.
Yeah, get it.
No.
Should we get the laundry upstairs?
What?
All the clothes upstairs? So, then, medyo dinamihan ko kasi puro mga bedsheet to. At saka, comfort. What do you wanna eat for breakfast, girl?
Yeah, to
Hmm?
I wanna eat.
What do you wanna eat for breakfast?
I don't want it because I tried so many breakfasts.
You're not hungry? You're not hungry, ba?
I want.
So, medyo maganda yung weather today. Gloomy siya.
And my doctor needs taking a.
Ayan, nanonood ako ng vlog. So, ito si Sir Roland, Filipino vlogger din sila dito sa US. So, lagi ko din yan sila pinapanood. And, of course, hugas tayo ng pinggan. Ang dami nating hugasan. And then, ayan, nakapag-fry na ako ng potato. Ihahalo ko doon sa giniling ko. Pero, yung giniling na yan, ako lang yung kakain yan and si Chloe dahil hindi ko makain yan yung husband ko. So, iba yung ulam niya. Ito sa kanya, siguro ay, ito. Pagpiprito na lang ako sa kanya ng pork and then gawa natin siya ng soup. And then, ayan na din yung baon niya.
Soup.
Yeah, kasi kailangan maubos din namin lahat ng supplies namin sa fridge. Sobrang dami pa naman kasing biniling meat. Tingnan nyo naman, oh. Kala mo naman magkakaubusan ng meat. Napakadaming biniling meat. Ang dami namin tuloy stock ngayon. Magta-travel nga rin kami soon. So, magta-travel ulit kami next week. And, punta tayo ng San Francisco naman. I think next week. Is it next week na? Wait lang, tingnan natin sa calendar. Yeah, next week na pala yun. Yeah, next week. Magta-travel kami next week. And, 1, 2, 3, yeah. So, yun, mga 1 week ulit kami sa San Francisco. And then, yan. Mag-travel tayo doon, enjoy, explore natin yung buong San Francisco. Actually, nakagawa na ako ng itinerary ko and then i-check natin mamaya. Pero yung mga gusto kong ma-visit is of course yung Golden Gate Bridge, yung Alcatraz, and then yung downtown nila, and then yung parang port nila doon. So, yun yung mga gusto kong mapuntahan. And then yung parang street na zigzag, tas yung mga colorful houses, tsaka yung mga bahay na slant, yun. Ang dami. Siyempre, yung mga sikat puntahan. Well, how about you? Are you excited na?
Yeah.
To travel?
I'm having an experiment today.
What?
Look.
Experiment?
Yeah, that.
Oh my God. Where did you get that water?
I
Here?
No,
What did you put there?
a chalk.
A chalk? Oh my God. Nag-experiment siya. Anyway, yun. Tapusin ko muna tong niluluto ko para makamove on na tayo sa ibang gagawin. At ang daming work. Ang dami nating pending work. kulang din kasi kami sa staff sa Pinas, kaya ako yung gumagawa ng ibang task. Yun, kaya dami nating pending work. Nakaka-loka. Anyway, tapusin na natin to. Okay, let's feed the fishies. Wait lang. This one goes here. This one goes here. Yan. Okay, I think that's enough. Tingnan niyo to, ah. Why are you stressed? You tell me muna, why are you stressed, ah? Why are you stressed? You don't clean, you don't cook, you don't do the laundry, you don't clean up your mess. All you have to do is study and play. You're still stressed? And you're still stressed?
Yes.
Huh? Are you messing with me, huh? Are you messing with me? I think you're messing with me. Oh, no.
Mom, I want to play pillow fight.
How could you be stressed? You don't even do anything. He's stay there. You don't even do anything. Tell me, girl. What?
I'm not gonna die.
You just eat and play and do your book. That's it.
Yes, I'm playing.
Gonna give you a fight. I'm gonna do the umbo. I'm gonna give you a fight. No, you're not gonna get up. You're gonna stop. There.
Hey, I haven't even fight yet. Mommy, why this
that looks
nail
fun.
hair?
Mhm.
Mom, you can do it too.
Yeah, I'm gonna do this cat. Okay.
I'm gonna save it for you. I'm gonna
Okay.
do the dog.
Okay.
Because I did another.
In fairness, ang tagal maubos nitong paint na to, ha? No? Ang dami pa rin, na there's still more inside. Parang unti nga lang inabawas. Kahit ang dami na naming nagawang projects using this paint. Right? Go, you can paint na. Which one?
You wanna do this?
This is so beautiful. I'm shocked. I'm surprised. Ang ganda.
I told you I'm gonna win.
You did good, Nak. You did good. You paint so good.
Yeah, you get the flowers around. This.
Cute.
It's-
Which one are you gonna do next?
I'm gonna do this.
This
now
one.
because
And then I'm
it's
gonna
so
do this
cute.
one, okay?
Yeah, because it's so cute.
Okay, good. Keep going.
Yeah.
Luto na ang ating lunch and dinner. So, pork giniling yan with potato. That's it for our lunch and dinner. And, mamaya na ako magpiprito kasi hindi pa naman, need ko pang palambutin yan. Masyado siyang matigas. So, mamaya natin yan ipiprito. Okay, so let's paint with
No, no.
Chloe.
Or maybe you can use something else for that.
Can I borrow this muna and then sit beside me lang muna and watch me paint?
Yeah.
Can we do that?
Yeah.
Okay. I think I wanna color her
What?
pink.
Okay. There's no such thing as a pink cat.
There is. My cat is a pink cat.
No, but there's no such thing as a real
There
pink. Then
What can you say about my pink cat?
I say,
Is it pretty?
it's like a pig.
Hey.
Because pigs are pink.
Yeah.
How could they be black?
But she's a pink cat.
Why?
Because I want to.
Is your favorite pink or purple? Because
Pink.
that looks like purple.
No, my favorite is pink.
But
Kasi ini-late ko lang. Oh, it smells good. Good thing we put a lot of soap. Ay! Ala! Of course, don't forget tanggalin yung mga dumi. Yan yung mga lint sa dryer. lang natin yung tumili. Look at that. Grabe sa alikat. Look at this.
Magkano?
Diyos ko, alam niyo ba, pinag-awayan pa namin yan ng asawa ko kasi dati akala ko hindi siya big deal kung hindi yung tatanggalin. Pero, ayun, nung sinabi niya, tapos ni-research ko, pwede palang mag-cause yun ng sunog kapag hindi mo siya natatanggal. Every after use. So, simula nun, tinatanggal ko na talaga siya. Hindi ko sure na natatanggal siya. Okay, you wanna help?
Yeah.
Put it inside. It smells so good. Put it inside.
But it's the bed sheet.
Ang hirap lang kunin ng mga nasa ilalim kasi ang liit.
So wet,
Oh
Mom.
no, you have to. Okay, this one.
Mom, it's so wet. Turn it off.
Pagpag niya. Ayan. And then, the biggest one.
The biggest mug. The biggest.
Excuse me, honey. What are you gonna do?
Mom, can you bite one?
Later, we're gonna go biking later.
Mom, please give me this.
Kita niya, hirap na hirap ako yung mukha. Parang kung liit ko kasi. Aray.
I can say one.
Did you get it?
Mom.
Aray. I think I'm gonna pass out. Ang lalim. Anyway, we're good.
Okay, we're not good.
Oh, can you get the socks na?
No, you're not.
Ayan, pagpag muna para hindi sila nakakumpol sa loob. At para matayo agad. Nakakamiss din sa Pinas kasi pwede mong ibilad sa araw talaga para matayo siya. Chloe!
Come here.
Okay.
Mom, I
Well, since wala tayong sampayan, ito natin siya gagawin. Okay. Oh, dali. Lagyan natin siya sa more dry. It. Yan, kailangan pang linisan to. At medyo makalat na dito. Linisin natin bago tayo umalis ulit. Yes, Nak? Chloe? Are you cleaning up? There's something under the chair?
just rolled under the chair.
Oh, okay. You better check carefully. Bait naman yan. You cleaning up?
Mom, can you help?
No, because I'm gonna clean the whole house. You just need to clean your toys. Go, you can do it now. We're gonna clean together, okay? I'm gonna clean the house and you clean your toys.
I'm gonna show them how to dance. Here is how to dance.
So we're gonna. Excuse me, honey. We're gonna fold the clothes now. So nakapaglinis na tayo and all. Nagawa na natin lahat. Nakapagluto na tayo. Actually, magluluto pa tayo. Chloe! So we're gonna fold the clothes now while watching. Honey,
Hi.
alam niyo guys, I'm gonna turn it off na. Sit here beside me. Nag-binge watch kami ng House of the Dragons and malapit na ako matapos, 3 episode na lang. So, ang tanong ko ngayon, kailan yung mga susunod na episode because hindi na ako mapakali. Kailangan malaman ko na ang ending ng season 3. Okay? Anyway, let's fold the clothes muna.
Mommy,
Help me! You're distracted again. You need to help
I
me.
show them how to dance.
No. Come here. Okay. Click muna the red circle. Click the red circle. Click the red circle. Okay. So, si Chloe ay kumakain na ng giniling natin, lunch niya. And then, ito yung ulam ng husband ko, yung pork. Fry lang natin yan and then ternohan natin ng soup para naman may sabaw. Ito sigurong nido oriental soup and then kahit wala naman siyang malunggay, lagyan natin siya ng malunggay para dagdag healthy. And then ito si Chloe. I'll just let her watch kasi ang dami niya nang natapos na activities. Nag-aral na siya, nag-paint na siya, and she's eating.
And I finished, and I read the book.
Yeah. Do you want a fork? No. Okay. Ito na guys, yung ating nido soup with malunggay. So creamy. Yan. So I'm actually done cooking for today. And ito na rin yung sa husband ko, niya na rin yung baon niya. And we have giniling here. I think I'm done cooking for today. Magsasaing na lang tayo and then that's it. Natapos na tayo maghugas. Malinis na rin yung bahay. Ang hindi ko na lang nagagawa is yung laundry. So, kailangan tupiin natin yung laundry. And, ayun na, iniisip ko yung House of the Dragons. Hindi ko sure kung nanonood kayo na or kung napanood niyo na siya. Pero, ang ganda pa rin niya. And sabi nga ng husband ko, panoorin ko daw yung Game of Thrones. Kasi kung nagustuhan ko yung House of the Dragons, magugustuhan ko daw yung Game of Thrones. And, yan. So, matatapos na namin siya. 3 episode na lang. Tatapusin namin mamaya. Pero yung season 3, hanggang episode 4 pa lang siya. So, kailan yung mga next na episode nun? Kasi, mainipin ako. Ayoko maghintay ng 1 taon. Kailangan, gusto ko mapanood ko na siya agad. Anyway, ayun lang, nakaka-excite. Hindi ko siya pinanood ngayon kasi hintayin ko yung husband ko. Pero, excited na akong umuwi siya para manood na kami. Ang favorite character ko doon is si Daemon. Yung uncle ni Rhaenyra. Siya yung favorite character ko talaga doon. Kasi, ewan ko guys, alam nyo ba, parang feeling ko yung mga strong personality na tao or yung mga nagpapakita ng ganong attitude sa umpisa or sa mga family members nila. Feeling ko sila yung mga totoong tao kasi feeling ko lang naman to yung mga sobrang bait or what na akala mo talaga is hindi makabasag pinggan. Feeling ko sa mga ganong tao is parang may tinatagong something or what. Parang hindi sila totoo sa sarili nila or sa ibang tao. Yun ay ako lang naman bilang judgmental person. Kaya mas gusto ko yung mga gano'n na direct magsalita, ganyan, sinasabi nila yung feelings nila, pinapakita nila yung feelings nila kaysa dun sa mga sobrang parang perfect na hindi makabasag pinggan. Yun lang naman. So, favorite character ko si Daemon bukod sa kay Queen Rhaenyra, of course. So, yeah, kung ano na naman sinabi ko sa inyo, pero eto, nagtimpla na naman ako ng coffee. Tagal nating hindi uminom ng coffee na may milk, so na-miss ko na siya kaya gumawa ako. Wala naman tong sugar. So, yung black coffee lang yan and diniligan ko ng milk tas shinake ko. And, update dun sa GLP-1 ko. Hindi ko pa rin siya nakukuha pero I think on the way na siya. So, baka this week makuha ko na yun and makapag-inject na tayo this week and then na-update ko kayo kung anong na-feel ko. May mga side effect ba or nabawasan ba tayo or wala naman. Update ko kayo guys.
Sit on top of here.
On top of your head?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, wow. What is that? An exhibition. Hindi pa rin tayo tapos magtiklob. And we're gonna take a bath upstairs. Oops, I'm gonna get clothes lang here. Wait lang. Inangag for breakfast. And then we also have spam and egg. So, yeah. Dahil nag-activity kasi tayo sa labas, hindi tayo nakaluto agad. Kaya ayan lang muna ang ating breakfast. And for dinner naman, we're gonna make sinigang. Siniganggang. Ayan. So, dinidefrost ko pa siya. And gutom na kami. So, let's eat guys. Oo nga pala, ito yung aking favorite coffee. Iced coffee. Ubus na nga tong Nescafe Gold ko, need to buy. So, yan.
Mommy,
Sarap na ito guys. Try nyo. Yes na?
this is my favorite part of the day, finding stones.
I thought eating. How you put it there?
I
Get the spoon and fork.
got this one.
Yeah, go. And then you want some eggs?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll help you with the egg.
I care the canopy.
really hungry na?
Yeah.
Okay. So, we're making siniganggang ulit, guys. So, pork sinigang to. Medyo madami to kasi para pang hanggang kinabukasan na siya ng lunch siguro. So, ilalagay na natin yung lugaw. Nahugasan na natin tong gulay, pero binababad ko lang siya sa water talaga para hindi nangingitim. Mamaya na yung sili kasi baka naman umanghang ng sobra. Hindi makain ni Chloe. Yes? What? Like what? Are you mad at me? Ayan. So, sobrang lambot na ng meat na to kasi kanina pa natin siya pinapakuluan. And gusto ko kasi talaga kapag sinigang, sobrang lambot ng pork. Ayoko nang, nakakangawit siyang nguyain. Ayoko talaga ng ganun. Walang gana kumain pag ganun katigas yung ulam. So, gusto ko talaga is yung sobrang lambot na ng pork. And then, yan. So, pakuluin lang natin siya ulit hanggang lumambot ang mga gulay. Hindi naman sobrang lambot, pero enough na para makain. And, ang natin, sobrang malinis pa siya tignan. Ano? Actually, malinis pa talaga siya kahit medyo matagal ko na since huling nilinis sila. I think 2 weeks ago na ata nung nilinis ko sila or 3 weeks na nga ata. Pero malinis pa din, ano, kasi grabe yung linis na ginawa ko dyan. And alam ko na kasi kung paano sila i-maintain na maging malinis. Pero kahit ganun pa man, alam na natin paano sila i-maintain at hindi naman sila ganun kadumi. Kailangan pa rin natin tong linisin bukas. So, tatanggalin natin yung mga fishy, lilipat natin sa ibang lalagyan din muna sila for 2 days. And then, completely linis to, tatanggalin natin lahat. Kasi, aalis na naman kami nga, 'di ba? So, gusto ko sana bago kami umalis is bago na yung tank nila, fresh na yung tank nila. Para naman masarap ang kanilang pag-swimming diyan. Ayan. Ayan ang aking mga isda. Si Blueberry at saka si Cherry. Si Blueberry and Cherry. Yung anak ko yung nagbigay ng pangalan yan, kaya ganyan yung pangalan nila. Ewan ko ba't yun ang pinili niya ang pangalan. Hey, Chloe! What are you doing? Okay, nandun siya sa taas. Multitasking. Habang naglalaro. Nag-work sa iPad and maglalaban na rin tayo. Never ending yung labahan. Ano? Gusto ko kasi maglaban ng mga bedsheet namin kasi nga magta-travel kami soon para pagbalik. Mabango yung higaan. Yan. Okay. Sarap kaya matulog pag mabango yung higaan. Right, Chloe?
Yeah.
Oh, naman pa pala dito. Okay. Update sa ating sabon, hindi pa din siya nauubos. Simula pa to lumipat kami dito. Ito na yung sabunan. So, it's been 7 months, I think. Simutin lang natin, of course, para walang sayang. You okay na? Okay. Good morning, guys. So, kakagising lang namin. Late na naman kami nagising ngayon kasi napuyat tayo kakanood ng House of the Dragons. And maghilamos muna tayo. So, ito yung nabili ko dun sa Ebisu store sa Rancho Cucamonga. Super ganda niya. And ginagamit ko na to even before pa sa Japan. Wash lang natin yung face natin. Dito na nga ako nag-wash ng face sa may ibaba eh. Kasi para sabay na. Dito na rin habang nagpapainit ng breakfast, Gihilamos na din. Super gentle lang nito sa face. Okay lang naman maghilamos dito sa baba. Basta wag lang magtututbrush dito sa may kitchen. Ayoko nang may nagtututbrush dito. Pag magtututbrush ko, dapat dun ka sa CR. May CR din naman kami dito sa baba. Pero hilamos is okay lang. Anyway, super bango na ito. Sana may perfume na ganito ng amoy. Amoy Japan lang siya na amoy fresh. Ang bango niya talaga. Try niya to. Kung oily face din kayo, try niya to. Oh, it's melting na. The ice cream. It's starting to melt na. And then, kulang tayo ng kitchen towel. Pamunas ng face. Alam niyo ba guys, nung college hindi ako college, high school ako nun. Sobrang tigyawatin ko and then dinala ko sa derma ng tita ko. Tapos ang daming nireseta sa akin ng mga gamot and all. Tapos, hindi niya na ako pinapagamit ng tuwalya or mga kahit anong towel sa face. Puro mga facial tissue na lang. Indisposable. Nakatulong siya kasi nawala yung tigyawat ko. Sobrang worst ng tigyawat ko nun. As in, extreme talaga siya dito tsaka dito. Maglalaro muna kami sa labas. Kaya hindi muna tayo makakapagligpit dito sa kusina. Mamaya na to. Go get the Barbies na! Yeah. Get the Barbie. Yan. Tapos na kami mag-breakfast. Ito, meron pa akong natitirang kape. Dadalhin natin yan sa labas. And hindi niya naubos yung breakfast niya. Pero, hindi natin itatapon kasi sayang, diba? So, takpan na lang natin. Baka kakain pa yan siya mamaya. And, ang lulutuin nating lunch ay, ano man tawag dito? Yung sa may paa ng baboy, ayan. Ang fit. Pero, yung asawa ko kasi, gusto niyang luto dyan, sinigang. Kaya, sige, gawin na lang natin sinigang yan. Di ko sure kung marami bang mga Pinoy na kumakain yan. Aside from crispy pata na luto. Di ba yan yung ginagawang crispy pata? Pero kung, bukod sa crispy pata, ano pang lutong ginagawa niya dun? Kasi siya ginagawa niyang sinigang. So, gawin natin sinigang mamaya. And, yung ano pa pala. Yan ba yung ginagawang lechon na baksiyo? Baksiyo na lechon, yan ba yun? Hindi ko sure, pero parang yan yun di ba? Yes, Nak?
Help me carry everything, Mom.
Okay, I'll get the bigger stuffs.
And
Dito sana.
I'll get the large ones.
Yeah, sure. Dito sana kami maglalaro sa likod kaso hindi namin nababasa sa sakyan yung mga upuan namin, yung mga camping chairs and yung mga yan o. Walang camping chairs tsaka yung nilalatag namin pang picnic mat. Kaya hindi naman tayo makakaupo dyan. Kaya doon na lang tayo sa garage. So let's get the toys muna. Makalat ang aming bahay. Di pa rin tapos yung tupi eh. Nandito pa yung mga tupi and may laundry pa nga ako dito. Pero unahin muna nating maglaro. Laro muna. Okay.
Hi.
Let's go to Chloe's bedroom. Huwag kayo masyashock dahil makalat din dito sa taas. Yun yung mga gamit na dinala sa LA and then gagamitin namin sa San Francisco. Kaya, ayan yung mga damit na hindi pa natutupi. Oh my God. Chloe's bedroom is a mess.
Bruh.
It is a mess.
Mom, help me carry all the stuff.
Okay. Ang dami nating dala. Itong mga dollhouse niya. Ang laki-laki. Dadali natin sa kabilang side. So she can play with it. Right?
You can play with me every time you want. Mom, it's more comfy here because my dog can see the view, Mom.
You want it there?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that's a lot. Enough na.
My stuffies. You can...
Ayan, dito muna sa garage ang setup natin. Yun yung Barbie dollhouse niya. Actually, madami pa to. Nasa taas pa yung dalawa. Right, Chloe? Do you wanna get it? The other house?
What house?
Upstairs.
No.
You don't wanna get it? Sure.
No. Because this
The store? Oh, that's a store, right? The bakery. You wanna get it?
what's bakery?
The other one, like this. In your room, you don't wanna get it?
No.
Okay. Yan. Dito muna tayo sa garage para hindi mainit. I mean, para maiba naman yung view. Okay. We're gonna play here. I wish we have neighbors na mga batang babae. No? Din yung table ko para makapag-work ako dito. Ayan. Yan ang setup natin today. Katabi yung mga dapat na mga storage namin na dapat nasa taas pero hindi pa namin nalalagay. Anyway, yan. Work muna tayo. Work and play.
Hey guys, we're playing today. The Barbies. And I'm gonna go out.
Because it's a little bit hot. Why is there a tali? What is that for?
That's for the connect.
To connect what?
To connect something to the car.
Okay, I can help you, but this is gonna be my fashion. Ooh, look at that.
But I'm gonna be the
You look like a
one.
model of your car.
The sun is
She's
shining
gonna be wearing
like a colorful
dress.
aurora. It
And I'm
paints the
gonna
world
choose
in
the
hues of
It's
orange
actually
and
not a
white
dress, but we're
and
gonna make it a
more.
dress.
I'm gonna start packing my bag. I'm leaving all worries behind. Let's go. I need to get my own summer style back.
Mom, what if we have a robot?
Breeze is playing soft through
See
the
that?
palm
Fancy girl.
trees.
Then we're gonna put some steps.
Hey, no, I'm gonna choose my
Okay.
Land.
ooh glasses.
The sound of the waves lapping on the beach is like a pleasant melody.
for my
Soothe
queen,
my heart's
she's gonna have a
troubles.
small
Windows
bag.
down with the wind in my
Okay, that's
hair.
my
I
bag,
feel
and
so
she's a-
free.
She took my bag.
Oh, it's the smell of summer.
I think I'll
My summer trip. Take me away, take me away.
My queen here also
To a
needs
place
pink.
where my heart
anything pink.
Yeah,
under the stars.
But she's not a pinky girl.
he likes her favorite card
So
pink.
it's the smell of
So I'm gonna give her a bag.
Okay.
Pink. That's a bag, Mom.
I'm trying to fix it.
It's not broken or something.
I find a hidden cove where the
Yay, where are they going?
They're going to somewhere I've never been before.
Where?
To Paris.
To Paris?
Yeah. With the key.
Oh, the food fell.
Let me fix it.
I fell in love.
Postings of publication materials and such, and then
written in from the system, so you can proceed to record.
Okay, let's brush our teeth.
I brush my teeth and read. I can brush my teeth and read.
What?
I don't want to say it.
What?
I brush my teeth and
Tayo
read.
bago matulog, guys. Good night.
Good night.